Welcome back, everyone. I just want to do a quick video here. This is a 2008 Dodge Caravan. I have a code P0027 ambient air temperature sensor shorted to its high supply, I think is what the code is that's coming up. I didn't find much online about this particular code. I didn't find any videos on how to fix it, so I don't have the complete troubleshooting tree, but when you find this sensor, people say it's down in front of the radiator. It's actually right in the bottom of the grill here. So I guess it's kind of in front of the radiator, but it's actually exposed. Like it's not on the inside of the grill, it's on the outside of the grill. So I found the sensor, and the first thing I noticed is you can see the end of it's broken off. I've got a new sensor right here. That's what it looks like. It's just held on by a little plastic fastener. There's your new sensor number right there. If you buy an aftermarket one, they're not expensive. But I got a check engine light that of course won't go away. So it's because, you know, the sensor's shorted out and broken. A rock or something flew up in there and broke it when it was on the highway. So you got to pull this. Hang on my phone here. I just used a screwdriver and worked out like a upholstery remover fork tool is easy to get the fastener part out. But you might want to think about buying one of these when you go get your sensor, because if it's old and crusty, it's just going to break on you. So I want to get that. And then you just pull the sensor out. Because it's kind of got a little door there that the wire hooks into. Okay, so there it is. Then you just unplug it and put your new one on. Hard to film and do this at the same time, so I gotta shut my camera off. Then I'll stick the new one in there and show you. Okay, there's the new sensor. So you can see the end of this one got broke off. There's the old one. So this was pretty kind of crusty. I had to work it a little bit. Don't pull the wires out. And then just put some oil on it, like fluid film works good for, or dielectric grease or something in there, just so it doesn't get stuck together. It's not too hard to take apart in case you gotta replace it again. So putting it back in is pretty straightforward. I don't know what the wire resistance, if you have this problem, if you have this code come up, I just found that it was pretty obvious when I looked at the sensor and it was broken, and you can see that it was getting corrosion and stuff in there. That's obviously the problem. The terminals look okay, but if your sensor looks good, I'm not sure, you'll have to do a resistance check across the sensor, and then you'll have to check the harness for your power and grounds there and resistance and stuff. So I don't have that part of the troubleshooting tree. I just wanted, like I said, I saw that nobody had posted anything about changing these sensors. So I just thought I'd post a video of where it's located in the vehicle, the code that comes up, and how to replace it. So there you go. If you've got a P0027 ambient air temperature sensor in a Dodge minivan, that's what you can do if you need to replace a sensor or a probe. Here's the code. That's the code you're going to pull out. The check engine light is on. That is ambient air temperature sensor circuit high input. That's what I'm getting. And then saying there's another code, but it very well could be the same one. Yeah, it's just two counts of the same code. Circuit high input. So anyways, there you are. I'm just going to erase it. See if it'll clear. Should, because I've replaced the sensor now. Oh, erased failed. Okay, anyways, if it doesn't, sometimes I don't clear codes, I'll just leave the check engine light on, and after so many key on, key offs, it'll go away on its own. I like to do that because then I know for sure the repair is done properly. But at the same time, if you can't let the vehicle go and you need to have the check engine light off, verified, it's good to clear the code before that happens. Okay, so I got it cleared. It's basically, it's just that I've got a I said I shouldn't say cheap, just a basic scan tool. It does ABS codes and graphs and all the other stuff, but it's not a real expensive one. I just had to go key on, engine off, and then it cleared. I guess that one doesn't clear with the engine running. I guess that's fairly common for scan tools. But anyway, that's what fixed it. So I just wanted to let everyone know she's good now. Hopefully it doesn't come back on for a long time.